Hey everybody, it's Rich at RMAutodiag, and today we're going to have a look at BMW, and we're going to be using the Vpecker. It's been a requested video. Someone wanted to see a BMW on this program, so we're going to have a look at this. It's a E46 2005 320 diesel, and we'll see what it can do. Right, okay, so we'll go into the program and we'll go straight into BMW. Says the 405 we've got to use the old version, so we'll use old version 3 series or an E46, and should we go for a quick test and see what it finds? Yeah. Okay, so we'll let that go. I'm probably going to speed this up in the edit, so keeping a lookout in the bottom corner, 1703. So see where that skips forward to. Okay, so we're at 1706, about 3 minutes, and it's finished test. So we've got a few faults. So it's giving us the fault code, the control unit it's in, and what all the fault codes are. So we've got engine, ABS, heating control, airbag. So we've got a few faults in there. What else do we have? Quick test result. So that's just telling us what modules we've got in this car and which ones have faults. And we can do a quick delete as well. I'm going to leave that for a minute. So let's go back and go into engine. We'll see what's available. So read fault codes, and like it did on the quick scan, we know it's got those glow faults. So we should be able to clear them. No fault code, so it does clear. Diagnostic request. Okay, I guess that is all we've got for live data. See if any of these say anything. Yeah, so press the brake or the clutch. Yeah, so they are changing as well. So the live data does work, not a huge amount of it though. Component activation, electric fan, see if it does anything. And yeah, that has activated the fan. We'll turn it off. So that works. What does it say? Identify all the usual stuff. Date of manufacture, to say 2005. Nothing interesting there. What else could we go for? Mobilizer. No fault codes. See what it says on here. Key password, key code. See what they say. Okay, so it likes the key. Back out of that one, and let's go into chassis, ABS. It's a fairly common one. See what functionality we've got with that. Most of the same. So we seem to have decent descriptions here. And Okay, so we've got a few things there. Let's see if the brake light opened, handbrake on and off. So they seem to work as well, which is good. Component activation. Don't think we're gonna see anything on there, but there's plenty of stuff that will get activated. Alright, I think that's about all of interest in there. What else have we got? That was one that was in the list, wasn't it? Rear windshield defogger, so that potentially doesn't work. Let's see if any of this live data we can mess around with. See what the outside temperature is. Fairly warm today. 18 degrees, yeah. Fan potentiometer. See if that'll. Yeah. So that works as well. The live data seems pretty good on all of these. Activation. Let's put that blower on. See if it'll start it up. Yeah, don't know if you can hear that, but the blower definitely comes on. Stop that. So pretty good on activations on most things. I'm generally quite happy with most of that. Service functions, what have we got in here? Learn, clear adaptions, transmission, clear adaptions, immobilizer, disable and enable keys, wheel system slip. Alright, so we can do an adjustment or calibration on the steering angle. Instrument cluster, we can reset the service indicator. Should we do that? Automatic. Let's do that. See what it does. Didn't do anything. Status. Give me the status. Preconditions are not met. Yes. It doesn't seem to do anything. Whether that is an issue with conditions being set. See what it says on the manual. Only to be used if it's 16. Okay. So I don't think that's going to work for the service reset. But I think that's a pretty good overview of that. I think most things have worked. I'll just turn the ignition on and off and see if it has changed anything. Well, it has changed. It's changed the oil service. It was on 9,000. Now it's on 18. So that service reset worked as well. So that was all good. So I think that's a pretty good overview on a BMW. I think most of it works. Say the service reset worked as well. Most of the activations worked. So I think we'll be pretty happy with that. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. And I'll try and get some more on this because there's been a few requests for a few different cars. Thanks for watching.